welcome back with another video. It's good and sad. We are letting go of the sweet 150, but the happy news is we are trading it for 2017 Mustang rims. Bro, I don't drive this thing. That thing scares the shit out of me. And also I got a backup plan. We got an ATV right here, which is also for sale, so stay tuned for that one next. But yo, let me teach you guys real quick how to sell something. All right, like you see that car outside, you need the rims, and the rims are worth like $1,000. So who's laughing now? It's back what we're saying. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna make her look all dolled up after sitting for 6 years, but she still looks good. Anyways, we just gonna give her a rub down. Look at all the dust on that handlebar. Look at that. Look at that. Ew. See what I'm saying? You can't. I kind of feel sad, bro. You know how hard I worked for this bike? Let me put you guys right here. Fuck that light. I have worked so hard for this bike, you guys. Like, for real, for real. I've sold an ATV. And as that transaction was happening, this bike was on the way to my house. The man came, took the ATV, drove off into the sunset, and baby girl rolled up, and then the rims on my car now I'm gonna get sold, and then we're gonna sell that. Then we'll have probably $1,000 with both of those combined. Then we can just buy another one. Isn't that funny how that shit works? Chat, look at the fucking dust on it. Look at this. Oh my god. Let me hear. Look at this, chat. Look at this, chat. Ew, that is sick. Ew. 6 years of sitting. All right, so I think we're looking good. I just gotta do the front. Oh yeah. All right, I think. Oh yeah, the faceplate. How can you miss that? God, look at all this dirt. God damn. All right, I think that's pretty good. I think that's pretty good. There we go. Now it looks like a queen, like it wants to be sold. Tomorrow this thing will be out of here. We're gonna get some sexy ass rims. We're gonna sell those rims. We're gonna sell this ATV. We'll have $1,000 or more. We might get a Honda Grom or a CBR 125 or God knows what. Comment down below what the hell we should get next. Peace. Actually looks pretty good. Look at that. Look at that. Bam. Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is part 2 of me trading my dirt bike for 2015 to 2017 Mustang rims. The guy is 20 minutes away, so we're gonna head to the spot in about 10 minutes. I'll record the transaction and we'll be back with the rims, hopefully. Alright you guys, we are at the meetup spot. He should be here in about 5 minutes. Supermoto for 2015 to 2017 Mustang rims with new tires on it. W or L in chat? I think it's a W. I don't drive my bike anyway, so I think it's a big W. They're worth the same amount of money, so I'm not really losing. Alright guys, love you. Stay tuned. Alright guys, yeah. Bike being sold. Alright you guys. Alright, thanks. Nice meeting you. Alright. There she goes. Alright you guys, we are back. We got brand new rims. Like when I mean these things are brand new, they're untouched. They come with brand new tires. The stickers are still on them. What do you guys think? This is a W? I think it's a W. Fair trade. Bye-bye to those. This was a major W. These are super sexy. Stay tuned. Tomorrow we'll be putting them on. Thanks guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for us painting and selling the ATV. Peace.